Welcome. In this presentation, I'll break down the 8-layer architecture for building AI agent applications. This framework spans everything from infrastructure to governance, helping teams design robust and scalable agent systems. Let's walk through each layer one by one. These 8 layers represent the complete technical stack. Think of them as the building blocks of agentic AI. Each layer is critical, but not all need to be built from scratch. The smart approach is knowing where to build, where to buy, and where to plug in existing solutions. Infrastructure is the foundation, comprising of cloud services, GPUs, APIs, databases. It's often overlooked, but if this breaks, the entire AI agent system fails. Remember, AI agents are compute hungry. They trigger far more API calls than traditional applications. Plan for scale from day one. This is like the internet for agents. It manages identity, memory, and inter-agent communications. Today it's mostly DIY, but platforms are emerging. Don't build isolated agents. Design ecosystems where agents can coordinate, discover each other, and collaborate. Protocols are to AI agents what USB-C is to devices. It's a common language. Right now, it's fragmented. Standards like Anthropic's MCP are gaining traction. Choosing the right protocol avoids compatibility nightmares and future-proofs your system. This is where AI agents become useful. Without tools, they're just chatbots. With the right integrations with RAG APIs, calculators, they can take action. But don't chase breadth. A handful of reliable tools would outperform dozens of flaky ones every time. Cognition is the brains of the AI agents. This is where reasoning, planning, and decision making live. The dangers here are hallucinations and runaway behavior. That's why you need guardrails, explicit reasoning chains, and strong error recovery. Users forgive smart failures, not chaos. Memory makes an agent sticky. Without it, every session starts at zero and it becomes expensive and frustrating. Even simple personalization, like remembering preferences, dramatically improves the user experience. Advanced modeling can wait until you validate product market fit. This is what users actually see and judge the AI agent on. Whether it's a scheduling bot or a research assistant, the application layer must deliver real value. Focus is key. Nail one use case and workflow before expanding to others. Feature bloat kills the momentum. Governance may feel boring, but it's mission critical. Think compliance, monitoring, and trust. Enterprises won't adopt AI agents without strong controls. The cost of bolting this on later is enormous, baking it into your roadmap from day one. Here's the pragmatic truth. Trying to build all 8 layers is a trap. Start with layers 4, 5, and 7, the ones that drive immediate user value. Use off-the-shelf infrastructure and protocol solutions. Governance grows with scale. Focus on solving real problems, not the internet for AI. The 8-layered architecture helps us think systematically, but the real focus should always be the user. Deliver value, scale wisely, and think in ecosystems. That's how you will turn an AI agent stack into real-world impact. Before touching models, anchor on a specific outcome. Who is the user and what do they need done end to end? A vague AI assistant for support becomes a crisp flow. Ingest complaint, fetch order data, propose refund under $200. Tight scope improves reliability. Let us measure success and keep costs under control. If it feels like a Swiss Army knife, it's too broad. Shrink it. Agents aren't chatbots, they are functions. Define strict contracts, what fields come in, what object comes out, and what errors can occur. Use JSON schema, Pydantic, or TS interfaces with validators. If you can't write the schema, you're not ready. Clear contracts make testing, chaining, and debugging possible and stop prompt drift. The system prompt is the AI agent's brain. Define who it is, how it behaves, and what it should output, always in the schema from step 2. Include guardrails. For example, ask for budget before proposing solutions, and edge cases. No order found, angry customer, policy conflicts. Invest time here. Great instructions can outperform bigger models. What makes this an AI agent is acting on the world. Use a lightweight reasoning loop to decide when to call which tool and then observe results. Begin with a few dependable tools and explicit if/then branches. Capture intermediate thoughts and tool logs to debug behavior, control cost, and explain outcomes. Multi-agent architectures are powerful but often overused. Add a second agent only when specialization lifts quality or speed. A common pattern is a 4-stage pipeline: research, analyze, draft, and QA. Keep the handoff structured with the schemas from step 2 so each agent knows exactly what to expect. Complex orchestration leads to complex failures. Without memory, every interaction starts at 0, becomes costly and frustrating. Maintain short-term session context, store durable user preferences, and retrieve domain knowledge when needed. Begin with a buffer and a small fact store. Add vector search only when the corpus is large or semantic recall is required. In 2025, users expect more than text. Add speech for hands-free flows, vision for screenshots and docs, and document parsing for real work. But be strategic. Each modality multiplies edge cases. Keep outputs unified under the same structured schema so downstream systems don't care which modality was used. The AI agent's output is the product experience. Render polished artifacts, emails, tickets, or reports with consistent templates, plus a JSON payload for automation. Add confidence scores, citations, and recommended next steps. That's how you will build trust and keep humans and systems in sync. Finally, make the AI agent accessible. Have a focused chat, UI, a sidebar widget, or clean API endpoints. Build with production basics, auth, quotas, observability, and cost controls, so scale isn't an afterthought. The best AI agents feel invisible. Users just see the task get done. Use these 9 steps to get from idea to a working AI agent, and then align it with the 8-layered architecture we saw previously to scale responsibly. Buy where possible, build where it differentiates, and add governance early.